Hey guys, how's it going? Landon here. Come on in. We're in the jam room here. And today the purpose of this video is to actually do some sound demos of the soundproofing that I did in the room. So a few months ago I did another video where I actually did a walkthrough of the soundproofing materials that I used in the room and how I did the soundproofing and then how well it worked by just doing a quick little demo at the end. So in this video we're going to do 3 actual real-time tests and you're going to see the decibel levels inside the room and outside the room, so it should be kind of cool. The first one is going to be loud music, just with a thumping bass, something that's really hard to block, so that's going to be interesting. The second one is going to be electric guitar through my AC-15, and I'll have that cranked. And originally that was why I built the room, to block guitar sounds, and you'll see that's the purpose of my soundproofing. And the third one is going to be acoustic guitar that I'll be playing through my AC-15 as well. This should be pretty cool, and we'll see how the results look. Okay, let's go check it out. All right. All right, I hope that gives you an idea. Kind of cool, interesting little test. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today. I hope you liked that video. If you did like it, like and subscribe. If you haven't already done that, that'd be great. And also, if you didn't check out my soundproofing video, go check that out. I'll have that linked here or in the description. Anyways, that's it for today. Landon here again, Lando27 Music. Thanks for joining me in my jam room. You're always welcome in. So come on back. We'll see you again soon, okay? All right, bye.